In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim clips on Capcut for mobile. First of all, you open your Capcut app. Next, let's just start a new project. So in the Capcut app, start a new project. So choose any video you want. So I'll go with this video. Add it in. Now, click on the video. You see two borders appear. Using two fingers, you can pinch in so that you can see the full length of the video. Then to trim it or reduce the length, you can drag it towards the left and then the length of video is reduced. You can see over here it's now 8.4 seconds from 23 seconds. So dragging to the right increases the length of the video, to the left reduces it. That's how you can trim clips on CapCut. And whenever you're ready to upload, you can hit the upload button and to render and upload your video or download your video into your device. Thanks for watching.